Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best pink jacket from Victoria's Secret. The Victoria's Secret Women's Pink Logo Full Zip-Up Sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is a perfect blend of comfort, style, and casual wearability, designed to elevate your everyday wardrobe with a cozy yet chic vibe. From the moment you slip this jacket on, you'll notice the relaxed fit that allows for easy layering and movement. It's crafted from a soft cotton blend fabric, giving it that perfect balance of breathability and warmth without feeling bulky. Whether you're running errands, lounging at home, or heading out for a casual day, this zip-up sweatshirt is made to be your go-to piece for those comfy casual moments. The design is classic and clean, featuring a full zipper closure that makes it easy to put on and take off. It also comes with a hood for added warmth and style, along with two front pockets that provide convenience and functionality. These pockets are great for keeping your hands warm or holding your essentials like keys and a phone. One of the standout features of this jacket is its color. The pink shade is vibrant yet soft, offering a refreshing take on a classic hoodie. It's a color that pops without being overwhelming, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a touch of fun and femininity to their outerwear collection. In terms of care, the jacket is machine washable, so maintaining its look and feel is simple and straightforward. Its imported craftsmanship ensures quality and attention to detail that Victoria's Secret is known for. The material is lightweight, making it a versatile piece that you can wear comfortably in various seasons or layer under a heavier coat during colder months. Available in a wide range of sizes from extra small to double extra large, this sweatshirt caters to many body types, ensuring a great fit for most. The roomy silhouette means it's perfect for those who like a relaxed, laid-back fit, while still maintaining a flattering shape. This pink logo full zip-up sweatshirt is not just about looking good, it's designed for everyday wear with practicality in mind. Whether you pair it with jeans, leggings, or joggers, it instantly boosts your casual look while keeping you warm and cozy. It's a staple piece that combines functionality with a stylish edge, representing the best of Victoria's Secret casual wear. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and comfortable pink jacket that works well for multiple occasions, this Victoria's Secret pink sweatshirt definitely deserves your attention. Its combination of soft fabric, functional design, and eye-catching color make it a standout in the world of casual hoodies. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest insights on popular products, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.